point weapons at them and make them surrender, because we're the police.
Okay. Yeah, recall a time you surrender. Oh, look, they're taking pictures now. Good for them.
This is like Christmas decorations up there.
It is a lot.
We have to pick them off one by one. That's the only chance we're going to have.
Which one should we start with?
The girl on the ground.
Oh. I think she just went over the wall. At least you weren't talking
One
about...
of them did fall off the roof. He's probably pretty hurt.
Nah. I don't think he's hurt. The only person that's actually ever going to be hurt is the one that probably got hit by the police car. He's probably in agony.
32, gonna be code 4 medical
Might
transfer.
not ever walk again.
Hopefully.
But if I fall off a roof
Shots fired.
30 feet, I'm just fine. I get back to my roof.
To those shots fired.
What if we accidentally mistake the camera flashes?
for muzzle fire.
For flash fire?
Yeah, muzzle flare, whatever. I don't know what you call it. Oh look, there he is.
Push them in.
I think it's time for me to go off duty.
What?
Oh, you were having such a great shift, though, huh?
Oh,
220 code 4 offer
still pretty great.
shots fired and signal situation.
Really cold today.
Warrant is obtained, 76 RHPD.
My hands are cold.
Mine too. That's my problem. I can't drive.
I need better gloves or something.
Yeah, me too. Or the heat in the car needs to work.
Ed, start breathing back there.
Thank you for
I'm gonna go home
I am
and
breathing.
practice for
You out of
my
your
raid by playing Warzone. Learn some tactics and shit.
220 dispatch, please be advised that Siglo has a weapon.
An airstrike, that
force
note.
fired off the air while intoxicated.
What the fuck is going on? I don't want to arrest Siglo. I like him.
If you like him, why do you want to arrest him?
Why? Because he took his... Oh, I bet that's right over there. No, that's the other way. Girl 3 plus 2 and our latest shots fired, San Andreas. It's gonna be below. What do you think it's gonna be?
Right there.
Right up here.
3-2, I'm gonna join you on that.
What's that guy right there?
Oh, we gonna have a vehicle right here.
Well, we're going to be in an active 80 East San Andreas Avenue. Right-hand turn southbound Supply Street.
Oh!
Do we have a plate lock?
X-ray
Left,
191.
Popular. Westbound Capitol Boulevard.
Suspect appeared to be brandishing a Class 2 firearm.
Flight
191 has
1050.
2 vehicles.
Southbound Strawberry.
Like a banshee.
Right, west of the Thames.
Car's fast.
DeAndre Hoover, stand by for further.
Well, I need somebody faster than me, because I'm losing them.
Going off road to your right. Behind us. To your right.
Oh, hold on a second.
Took the right exit. I bet he took.
We're gonna be BCB at this time. Last seen is westbound towards the La Puerta Freeway. Oh, we have eyes again. He's southbound La Puerta. We're heading over the Utopia Parkway. He's popping a UE. Now northbound La Puerta.
You got better odds than me.
176.
I didn't hear what she said.
So she took her out. Oh, we got juked.
He's heading back on to Los San Andreas. Still northbound. He took the exit. He continued back on.
He went back on.
Right there. Yep.
And we're doing another U-turn. We're westbound La Puerta.
These guys are dumb. They could have lost this one.
We're now opposite lanes of traffic. Northbound La Puerta Freeway exit. Onto Dutch London. He's taking us in circles.
The drive this way, Ed.
We're now southbound La Puerta.
Back on the bridge.
Headed towards the overpass, Mirror Turner overpass.
I think he fucked his car up.
We're still heading eastbound Elysian Fields.
Pull over!
Don't dominate over there.
Here!
Hey, firm, that's him.
Fucking shot. Taking left.
The call.
He's so good.
That car's fast. What is that?
Continuing westbound.
Speed.
Over the
You?
overpass.
Oh!
You okay there, cowboy?
Hey, firm, landed it.
Ocean King.
The whole world went upside down.
I thought we were gonna flip off the
coming
bridge.
back correct lanes of travel eastbound Elysian Fields Freeway.
Elysian. She didn't know. Elysian.
I kind of want to leave one of you here so you get spikes set up.
I don't have spikes.
Where is this person's turf? Do we know? Are they gang related?
Nothing
What color are we
substantial in
talking
his
about?
profile.
Probably Little Soul.
Continuing northbound Elysian Fields Freeway going towards Del
Who
Perro.
remembers who the car was registered to?
What, this car up here?
Yeah. X-ray
David
191.
Crockett.
Look it up.
Yeah, look it up.
You can switch to TAC 3, but can you put 2 other units on TAC 3 for comms in case something happens?
DeAndre Hoover.
DeAndre.
He is with the Bloods.
354 contact.
Need someone to switch with me.
10 more 301, 303 going to 3.
They jumped off. Oh, they hard 50. Hard 50. They might be slipped in this back. We're construction across from Hoover
Oh.
right now. Cost.
No!
Get out of the car, get out of the car.
I need a unit on La Porta.
We are.
They're snorting meth running to the top of La Porta. I need. Who's on La Porta right now?
Get up there, go, go, go!
Get up where?
To La Puerta!
Hoover.
Below, we're below.
Oh,
I hear a
I'm
car
going La
speeding.
Porta. It's him.
341.
Don't have eyes. I'm going La Porta.
They probably got a pickup.
Yeah, there's a car going up there.
Have a description of the car.
It's fast. It's a two-door sports car.
It's not him.
The other person was out on foot. Went up, I'm pretty sure, all the way up.
You good?
I went to go.
Just don't answer him.
Easy.
Are you on Laporta officially?
Negative. I don't even know what the car looks like that I'm looking for if I got on La Puerta, ma'am.
A two-door sports car, Kelly.
Do you know how many two-door sports cars exist in the fucking state?
It's 2 doors, Kelly, and it's the sports. It's right there. You just saw it. You saw it up above.
We might have had visual on a car flying northbound on, Howard, Alta.
Los Lagunas, Alta Street.
I hate it here.
Kelly, it's a 2-door sports car.
That guy had no shirt on. I'm pretty sure he had tattoos.
We should have shot him.
He did have a class 2 in this game.
Yep.
I'm searching the car.
Even if I found a 2-door sports car, like, what reason do I have? To,
It matches the description.
Right here. There's it is.
we have a 2-door sports
Look,
car
stay
at
here.
Pacific Standard Bank.
Hold on, stay here.
Propeller or no?
That's not them.
Negative. Don't park on the sidewalk.
Yeah, that wasn't it.
Unless he changed into a
I don't
woman.
know. It was a 2-door sports car, though.
Could have been anybody.
Oh, that's a,
That was him.
that's a 2-door
A
sports
car
car.
in the area of me by construction.
How is that them? How do you know that's them?
I
It's
saw
a,
the blur.
it's a 2-door
Look,
sports
look, they're
car.
hiding. They're hiding. It's them. They're obviously hiding.
It's not them. Who the hell is
Sir,
Stop
missing a
stealing
door.
cars.
You guys still on that vehicle from the
all right.
shots fired?
Oh, be careful. That was a 2-door sports
Negative,
car.
it's VCB. 3-1 to Price, come here.
Oh,
Construction
God.
site.
this? Which construction site?
Which one?
Where you just flipped your car off of Calais.
Oh, it's like that, huh? Listen, I'm about to get fired.
You are.
Why?
Yeah, why? Would
Why?
You
Because you're gonna yell at me and I'm gonna be like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? A 2-door sports car is that pretty shit description.
I mean, it gives you information that could be crucial.
Which one?
Do you want us to wait here, or do you want us to come with you?
I
She's
come.
in the back.
Okay, why
What?
don't you come here?
Yeah, she's in the back. Sorry.
We go. What,
Oh my god, I'm about.
Negative.
Is she above the construction? Oh, there she is.
No, how am I supposed to find people? I don't know.
That's fine. We're gonna break off and swap back tack 1. Check out those shots fired on Grove.
This is our first day.
What?
Look in the trunk of the car. It's weird.
Sheriff,
What car? Where's it at?
What do you mean,
the
what
one
car?
that's flipped
The
over.
one that's with
in
Kelly,
front
right
of-
here.
I'm going 40 fucking 2.
I don't see a car here.
Kelly,
right
it's
here.
the our sports car right here.
I don't see. What am I? What's in the trunk?
Kelly, it's right there.
Kelly, it's right here. It's that car. You're hot. You're hot.
Try and run me over.
You're in lava.
I will. Said to fucking do it.
I don't see a car here. I don't know what to tell you. Check in the... What? Oh, there it is. That's really embarrassing.
I mean, it's just a
Get out of the
giant,
trunk so
you know,
Kelly can look.
4-ton car.
Okay. I didn't think she could see it.
336 transition you back, Tech 1.
Do you see what's labeled on that?
Radioactive materials.
Yeah,
Oh, no, it says reactive material. I wonder what that's for.
that's what I'm saying. I've never
Kelly,
seen that.
don't. You need to put gloves on.
I have gloves on.
I
Oh,
can't
sorry.
get this car to flip. I have been trying for 5 minutes.
Oh, here. No.
We gotta put somebody inside
Yes,
it. You
that's
gotta
what I was
crawl
gonna-
in.
All right. Help me crawl in. Help me crawl in.
It's fine. You just flip it.
There we go. Anything in the glove box, it probably is gonna fall out.
Oh,
trying to
there's
flip
a ID for benzo business.
Oh, okay. That's
There's
a
a
great name.
combat pistol with an
Oh,
extended
perfect.
clip.
Oh, okay.
There's 7 sealed comic books, some scissors, and some glue.
Oh, we
Dibs on
can
the
sell. We
comic
can sell
books.
those comic books.
I call dibs on them.
You ever tried to eat a pack of fries upside down? More difficult than it looks.
Just put them in one at a time.
Why don't I go outside do anything upside down?
Oh shit, he's probably gonna be upset about that door.
Well, thank God it's in great shape.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Listen, ma'am, I don't.
You're taking the pistol, right?
Of fucking course I am. I also
Who's the
took the
person?
ID. Oh shit. What's his name again?
Car is it?
DeAndre
His
David
Hoover.
Beckham.
Yeah, DeAndre Hoover.
I wonder if that's Larry's brother.
They
Oh,
do have a
also-
weapons license.
DeAndre Hoover.
Does.
Oh, well, he was seen with a Class 2 firearm and shots fired on San Andreas Avenue.
All right, so let me write that in. 12.
Oh, thank you, Ed.
I was so scared back there.
Also, Mr. Caden Shelps driving around looking for attention
shit.
from the police, and then when you give him attention, he drives up to all of his boys who are just walking around like
Is it Kelly
this
that's driving?
with their assault rifles
Yeah.
on their persons.
Oh, that sounds.
Oh,
brand.
here.
Okay, though.
There were a few times I thought we were gonna die.
Oh, yeah, here. Check this out. This is great.
All right, I marked it on the profile. Are you writing this warrant? I don't.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. I just made a note.
Check that out. It's pretty good.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
I wish I was. It's
Who
pretty
are
great.
these people?
I don't know.
Well, they're gang members, ma'am, to protect Little Soul.
I think I know why they picked that turd. You talk to him for half a second, you lose most of your soul, even just a little bit.
That's pretty good, Kelly.
Thank you. I'm quite clever.
Oh,
That
I
was
get
really
it
quick on
because
your
it's like that's the name of that area.
Yeah, yeah.
Then if you
I
go
didn't know you
there,
could do
Oh, that is.
they don't give you.
something.
Wow,
Yeah, top
that was
tier,
really
top
great,
tier
Kelly.
criminals.
All right, so. Toe is not on radio at all. So.
Oh, here, let me.
Is it even worth reaching out to them? None of them are on radio.
Well,
Don't go
What do you
chasing
think?
waterfalls. I always say.
I usually stick to the rivers and the streams that I'm used to.
Oh.
So I would. But I can't tow it because last time I tried to tow something, I got shot at.
Yeah,
So
you want to see if you get shot at again? Go ahead.
No, I don't really feel like it.
It's not right, Mr. Hoover, a fat warrant.
But if you want me to, I will, ma'am. You are
Yeah,
my
go ahead.
superior.
You gotta make it so they have to take it out and say active warrant.
Yep.
As the reason.
No
Blood from police,
personal
active-
unimpound.
Yeah, make sure it's not green. Go for a snack. I'm thirsty.
I have some water.
Oh, I got a cola.
Yeah, I'll take a cola.
No,
I need something.
water.
There you go.
Thank you. Mmm.
Oh, Mr.
Tasted
Sheps
good.
also pulled up to us while we were patrolling around Little Soul. He advised us that he could end us.
That
Pretty
he
much
could
bla-
end you.
Yeah, he could
I
blast
heard that
us.
right. Oh, okay. What's the reason?
We were taking pictures of him, watching him with taking that picture.
They don't want their picture taken. Don't stand
Actually,
there with
I have
class
Well,
a.
it started with a traffic stop because he
It
was
was a-
speeding.
yeah,
two. Was he
well-
wearing blue? The other day he was wearing fucking blue flag.
And then he said that he runs the city, and then we said that we run the city, and he said, "All right, I'm gonna call my boys down." And then we said, "Well, I thought you said that you ran the city," and he said, "Nah, just wait here. There's about to be 4 of us." So then we waited there. and
Did
then
he say,
drove
"Wait
off,
here, dog"? Did he add
and
dog
then
in or
There
no?
was like 10 of them over.
Oh, he yeah, like
And they
10
all
of them.
had class
All
twos.
with class twos, every single. Well, I
How
showed
do
her the
tell this
picture.
again?
2 of them were twerking.
Just impounded.
Then they started taking pictures, and they were holding like protest
What?
signs.
Well, at
and
first
Sounds
he
like-
pulled up to me and at high rates of speed, and then he turned around and came back to me at high rates of speed. I told him to slow down. He said, "Say please." I said, "No." I said, "Slow down, or you're gonna get a ticket." And then he just kept driving. He was looking for attention. Then we gave him attention, and we had a traffic stop. It's actually kind of confusing, though. He has an active warrant. It's a hot warrant. It says it doesn't expire. I writ the warrant. He's one of the sons of bitches that blew up the gas station where I should have won that medal for saving them officers that would have been dead. Dead as hell.
How long do you want me to impound it for, you said?
All the time. It doesn't matter.
Because you're not marking it green and you're putting active warrant.
So basically, he fled the traffic stop in a fucking supercar that we couldn't keep up with, and then he drove over to the Little Soul block where all his boys were with class 2 weapons, just walking up to us saying, "What's up? What's up?" Then they came and got on the rooftop with us and was like, "No, I don't see a class 2 weapon. I don't see one. I don't see a class 2. You see one? I don't see one. I don't think so."
That's what he was saying.
Yeah.
And then they were like,
Put it in Sandy's.
"Put it in
One guy had like
Sandy."
a Draco, 2 of them had
Is that
like
acceptable?
AKs, 2 had like Scorpions.
Put it in the city if we're in the city.
I mean, I did. Okay, I did put it in the city, but then I asked the question because I wanted to see if I could put it in Sandy.
If it's
You
in
put it
Sandy,
in
you can put it in Sandy.
Oh,
You definitely put it in Sandy.
You did put it in
Didn't.
Sandy.
Did. You did.
I
You
did not.
I swear to God, if I go over to the impound lot and it ain't there and it's in
Yeah.
Sandy, we're gonna have a conversation and you're not
Oh,
gonna
we
like how it
will.
ends.
We will have a conversation, ma'am. It'll
Okay,
be
put it
good
in
job,
Sandy.
Ed Banger.
Nice,
You did
nice
great.
shades. Nice glasses.
They're not
You
real.
really popped
They're not real.
with your skin tone.
Am I going to rush hour? Or I ain't been
Not
invited.
real.
You look great, Ed.
They're fake.
Yeah, he did tell me they were fake glasses.
Looks real enough to me.
My tea got cold.
Yeah, I wear them because I'm like, oh my god, this guy can't see anything. But in reality, I have 20/60 vision.
It's almost 100.
Pretty damn close.
Isn't it
2060.
like
What does that
2020?
mean? 20.
I
Yeah, I
don't
thought it
know.
was supposed to be 2020.
I've never been to an eye doctor.
2020 is pretty low. He has 60. That's
60 is way higher than 20.
No, I think
It's
it's
only
supposed
on
to
the
be 2020.
nearsighted. Oh, it's 20/60 because I have
There's
really
little-
good vision when
it's
like things are like
20/22,
really close
so-
to my face.
Oh,
That's your nearsightedness. So like if I look at a book, I can really like they could have really small print and I can see it.
oh,
Mm.
okay, that's good.
So I kind of am reading, but not really.
Reading.
Yeah, what are
Who
you-
has
what are
time
you
for
reading?
reading?
I'm
On
educating
warrants?
myself.
I only read
Oh.
warrants.
Who's riding the Warrant?
Which one?
For Mr. DeAndre Hoover.
You said that you were renting a fat one.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
did say
son
that.
of a bitch. Well, one of
You
y'all's
literally
got to
said-
drive the car then.
Cooper can drive. Cooper's really good at driving. Except for taking jumps. Turns. Or
I
coming to
gotta
complete
hang with that
stops.
car.
I missed one.
Or not hitting things on the side of the road.